Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn problem solving, display data, lesson 10.6. Our problem says that Maria recorded the rainfall in her town for 4 months. How did the amount of rainfall change from September to December? So this is the question that we're going to be focused to answer the question at the end. However, before we can answer that question, we're going to have to follow a process. So first of all, we need to know what do we need to find out, which is how did the amount of rainfall change. So we want to know how the rainfall changed. That's the question. Now, what information are we going to use? We're going to use the amount of rainfall in each month. So the information is right here. She recorded that information, so we know how much rainfall in September, in October, in November, and in December. So first, we're going to create a chart to display this information. Now, it says that Maria recorded the rainfall in her town. So we can name the title can be rainfall because we're going to be recording the rainfall in whose town? Maria. So we're going to write rainfall in Maria. Now, because the town is where Maria lives, it is a possessive noun. Now, I want you to pay attention that I had to capitalize some of those words because it is a title. It is a title of the bar graph. So it's important that you write it in capital letters. Now, how is this going to be recorded? Well, it says right here, if you look at her information, it says it's in inches. So the rainfall is in inches. So it's the amount so it's right here. I'm not going to rewrite it, but that's what you would put amount in inches because that's how it's going to be recorded. Now, it did say that it was going to record September, October, November, and December, and all of those are months. So I'm going to put months here. Month. So how much in the month of September and in October, November, and so on. So now after I do that, now I'm going to look at my September. In September, she recorded 4 inches. So I'm going to do my green, and I'm going to record 4 inches. For September, I'm going to go to the 4 right here like I did before. And then, of course, I'm going to color it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you at home will have more time. Now, in October, it says 3 inches. So for October, I'm going to record on my bar graph 3 inches. So I'm going to go October, and I'm going to go to the 3 right here. Then I'm going to go to November, and in November it says 2 inches. So I'm going to record November right now. I'm going to go to November. I'm going to go to 2. Now I'm going to do the last month, which is December, and the month of December is 1 inch. Okay, so now we're going to look at our graph. Now, the question was, how did the amount of rainfall change from September to December. Let's look at the rainfall. Look at September. In September, we had 4 inches. Look in October. In October, we had how much? 3 inches. Look at November. In November, we had 2 inches. And look at December. In December, we had 1 inch of rainfall. Now, how can we explain what happened there? What's happening to the amount of rainfall? So we can say that the amount of rainfall, remember we always write in a complete sentence. Now what happened? Did it increase? That means going up. Or did it decrease? That means going down. See how it's going down and is going down and is going down by 1 inch. So it decreased. That means it went down. The amount of rainfall decreased each month from September to December. And that's what happened in that rainfall.